3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, has a fascinating origin that traces back to the early 1980s. The technology was born out of the need to rapidly prototype physical parts without relying on traditional manufacturing methods. In 1984, Charles Hull filed the patent for stereolithography, SLA, which was granted in 1986. This process uses ultraviolet light to solidify liquid resin layer by layer. This groundbreaking innovation marked the official beginning of commercial 3D printing. Throughout the late 1980s and into the 1990s, other technologies began to emerge. Fused deposition modeling, CSC FDM, was invented by Scott Crump in 1989 and commercialized by Stratasys in the 1990s. It later became the foundation for consumer-grade 3D printers. In the mid-1980s, selective laser sintering, SLS, was developed by Carl Deckard and Joe Beeman at the University of Texas. This technique used lasers to fuse powdered materials, enabling more durable and complex prints. Initially, these technologies were confined to industrial settings due to their complexity and high cost. They were primarily used for rapid prototyping in automotive and aerospace industries, where speed and design flexibility were critical. A major shift occurred in 2005 with the launch of the RepRap project by Dr. Adrian Bowyer. This open-source initiative aimed to create a low-cost, self-replicating 3D printer, sparking the consumer 3D printing revolution. This movement played a crucial role in democratizing the technology, making it accessible to hobbyists, educators, and small businesses around the world. Today, 3D printing has moved beyond niche applications. It is now a mainstream technology used in industries ranging from healthcare, seeing custom prosthetics, bioprinting, and aerospace, lightweight aircraft parts, to construction, 3D printed houses, and even food production. What began as an experimental process has evolved into a powerful tool for innovation and creativity.